Hi guys, I'm Oliver from GVE London. I just wanted to show you what's happened on this car, one of my customers' cars, 458 Spider. He was actually just waiting around the corner. Unfortunately, a lorry just scraped the front end of his car, and luckily this car's actually got XPEL paint protection film, so hopefully it's going to save a good 90% of this damage underneath. So in a minute we'll remove all the PPF underneath. So as you can see, Nico, our PPF installer, it's just heating up the film just to safely remove it off of the actual body panel, and then we'll assess the damage after he's taken it off. So as you can see, now we've taken the PPF off, you can see it's saved everything, and that was a lorry hitting it side on, full impact, no damage at all. So you can see that XPEL PPF is definitely the right thing to do in terms of protecting your car.